And as Southern Oregon continues to attempt to recover salmon populations, one group is working in the heart of the local river system. Rocky Walker is sharing how the Rogue River Watershed Council is working to address issues in the local habitat.
Water flows through the Southern Oregon River system, while just below the surface, fish population rely on the habitat for survival. The Rogue River Watershed Council is working to restore these rivers and make them ideal for the migration of these fish.
What we're trying to do in these smaller tributaries is make sure that there's habitat, that there's spawning gravels, that the water quality is good, that it's cold, and trying to keep all of these factors in play.
Previous generation concerns for property and infrastructure removed much of the large wood from flowing rivers. One of the projects being done on Elk Creek puts logs back into the water, making deep gravel wells for fish spawning, connecting local streams, and improving water quality in the riverways. And the Elk Creek project isn't just for fish populations, but for fire resiliency. Right here, I have a demonstration showing two sides of what it could look like. Currently, as the river flows, these cotton balls are trees right alongside the waterways. While they're right next to it, they could still easily catch flames, spreading fire, especially during our high fire seasons. But the logs that they're adding into the waterway will create a damming effect. What that'll do is make a floodplain along the sides of the riverbed. So these trees that would otherwise be catching fire wouldn't be able to.
For that ribbon of kind of green vegetation along a creek or a stream, those don't burn as hot when they're wet and healthy.
And the fire mitigation work doesn't end there.
So what we do in these projects when we address the riparian rehabilitation is removing that noxious weed component, removing those blackberries, let native plants kind of reseed and sprout and come back and grow.
To learn about more projects they're working on, head to our website. I'm Rocky Walker reporting.